Hello friends, today's topic is how to jump between pages of Word file and PDF files. First, I will start with the Word file. Let's start with the example Word file. This is one of my research paper where I am going to show you how to jump between pages. I have cited reference numbers which will lead you to the reference page. By pressing Ctrl and left mouse button, when you click on this reference number, it will lead you to the reference page, which is on the page number 5 of this article. Again, if you want to go back to the page number 1, then you have to click Alt and left arrow mouse keyboard button, so that you can reach to the last place where you have left this 1 to phone number. So how I am doing this one? Suppose there is a number 11. If you want to make this one as a hyperlink, then select this one, go to the insert, then click on hyperlink. As you want to move in this document only, therefore select place in this document and select references. Click OK. You can see the color of this reference cited is changed. Now when you again click by pressing Ctrl button of the keyboard plus left mouse button, you will go to the reference page, which is again on the page number 5. And for going back to the first page, press Alt plus left arrow button of the keyboard, which will lead you to the reference number 11, where you have clicked the 11 number reference. In this manner, you can jump on the pages between first to last or anywhere in the your article. So this is the example 5 word. Now let's see the example file of PDF. Just open it on PDF reader. This is one of the example of research article. That's why I have blank the all copyrighted items. Just for taking the example I have shown you. By clicking on the, you can see here all numbers are blue in color, which means it is hyperlinked. So when you press the left mouse button on this number 2, then it will lead you to the reference number 2, which is again hyperlinked to the website of this research journal. When you again click on this reference, it will open on the internet browser page. From here, you can download your corresponding reference article. Of course, you have to need access of this research journal site. Now again, if you want to go back to the first page where you have clicked the reference number 2, then press Alt and left arrow button of the keyboard, so that you can again go back to the number 1 page, and the reference is on the page number of 7, 7 and 8, as you can see. So you don't need to go go up by scrolling the mouse scroller, which take more time while you are reading your research article or any article you have created in the PDF or Word file. There are two kinds of cross-referencing in PDF. One is cross-reference linking, which you can create in a manner which is shown here. Like you have first page consists of problems and second page consists of also problem, and in the consecutive next pages there are solutions are given. So if you want to read problem 1 and then go to the solution of that problem, then you have to click problem 1, which will lead you to the solution 1. It doesn't matter on which number of page it will be. And as you can see, cross reference linking is a bidirectional hyperlink. So again, when you click the solution 1, it will go back to you problem 1. It will lead you back to you problem 1. By this manner you can create your article of any question papers, and solutions are given, which is generally used on textbook. And now as the time has changed, that all things are going digital by day, so you need these techniques to use in your technology domain. And the other method is chain linking, which I have just shown you in the PDF example. When you click the problem 1, it will go to problem 2, problem 3, problem 7, and again you click the problem 7, it will lead you back to the problem 1. In the same example in the PDF, when I click the reference to, it will lead you to the reference page, and again when you click on the reference this text, it will lead you to the website, which is kind of a chain linking in the PDF. So thank you for watching my video.